Well, the monthly ABS data on inflation has come in with a rate that accelerated faster than expected in July, moving closer to the top of the Reserve Bank's 2 to 3% target. It jumped to 2.8%. That's the highest annual rate since July 2024 and well above June's 1.9%. A caveat, as always, those monthly indicators are partial and move about quite a bit, but it does suggest the RBA will need to be cautious about further rate cuts ahead. Recall that the monthly Consumer Price Index indicator was developed to provide inflation data at a higher frequency for use by governments, economists, and the wider community. The quarterly CPI remains the principal measure of household inflation. Economists were looking for an acceleration to 2.3%. The RBA's favoured trimmed mean measure, which smooths out volatile items such as food and energy, rose 2.7% in July from 2.1% in the prior month, and the CPI excluding volatile items and holiday travel measures rose 3.2% in the 12 months to July, compared to 2.5% in the 12 months to June. The upshot of all this is that it will likely bias the RBA towards a more cautious hold in rates at its late December meeting, and that'll be amid fears that disinflation narrative has largely run its course, at least for now. RBA meeting-linked swaps indicate the central bank will stay on hold in September, with the next reduction still fully priced in for November. And traders then see a further cut in May 2026, pushing back their expectations from March. The RBA, of course, cut its cash rate by a quarter percentage point this month to 3.6%. That's the third reduction of the year. Governor Michelle Bullock said the central bank will need to ease a couple times more to meet its forecast for inflation and employment, though she signalled a desire to tread very carefully. Bullock has described the monthly CPI indicators as volatile and not quite representative of what's really going on with inflation. She has, of course, expressed greater confidence in the more comprehensive quarterly inflation report. The monthly gauge still gives RBA officials a sense of the trajectory of consumer prices, though, and last month the ABS also said it will begin publishing complete monthly measure of inflation from November 2026, addressing a long-standing gap in Australia's economic data. The development will bring the nation in line with most of its development world peers. But the takeout from all of this is that inflation, well, it probably was resting for a little while, but now seems to be reasserting itself. And this will indeed complicate the Reserve Bank's measures ahead.